Hello everybody, my name is Kyle Kauk and welcome to my week 3 project review for ASD 1307. This week what went better than expected was, for the most part, pretty much everything. Getting the couch base working and everything running on Cloudin was pretty straightforward and simple to do, especially with the videos that were given to us to follow along and show us what to do. The only issue that I had this week was just a minor error on my part. In my view call, I actually had it as views with an S, which was breaking my code because it isn't called views, it's just view. So that was really my only sticking point for this week. Other than that, everything went just perfectly fine. Um, Knowledge for previous courses, to be honest, a lot of the knowledge I used was from ASD, especially last week doing the Ajax calls and things of that nature, and putting all my data into a list view. And as you can see here, if I click on load from database, which is pulling from now Cloudin, click on it and it pops up with all my data in a list view. To do that, it was mostly all my information I learned last week with our project 2 that we did in ASD. For Couch, I actually quite like it. It was a learning curve, to be sure, as I hadn't used anything quite like it before. So for my first initial impression is, though it is different, it is nice to use, and especially for storing data like we have been, I can see great potential in that. I prefer to do that over local storage, because with local storage, if you happen to clear your browser's cache or just kind of wipe it completely clean, then you lose all that information that you had saved in your local storage. The browser's just going to say, okay, you had information here, but it's not here anymore, so either start over or you've lost all the information you have. Or at least if you're saving to Couch or a variation database like that, you're going to have your information all stored somewhere remotely, and it's going to be safe, unless of course something happens to that database, but hopefully nothing does, and your information will be safe and stored safely away from where you can accidentally delete it. This has been my week 3 video review. Thank you all for watching, and good luck.